When processes get automated, fast and feasible, that's the solution. At the end of the day, we all seek these ideal solutions. But is it too much to ask for? No, it is not. Margo Industries provides you the customized solutions for bulk material handling processes, a concrete step towards harnessing the power of automation. Store more, convey accurately and produce profitably with Margo's powder and liquid automatic conveying system. Engaged with manufacturing of the industrial machineries for 50 years now, Margo Industries is a reliable solution provider for bulk material handling in PVC and polymer industry. Headquartered in Ahmedabad and spread over 120,000 square feet, the name Margo Industries itself is a commitment of prominent quality. We add values to your plant with our inherited end-to-end material handling solutions, ranging from complete turnkey projects with our flagship innovation product, automatic bag cutting and emptying machine, along with jumbo bag unloading station, bag dumping station, automatic minor additives weighing systems, liquid dosing and weighing system, vacuum conveying system, pressure conveying system, online sieving system, and day storage silos. Pioneering in the consultancy part, we propound stage-by-stage automation at each and every level of your manufacturing process, granting your businesses a desirable return on investment through the savings on the cost of PVC resin, labor costs, spillage, and fly loss. We deliver beyond possible solutions that you seek. We are here, there, and everywhere. We are Margo Industries.